So friends, let's start with today's lovely recipe of nankhatais, which are super simple and easy to make. So here I have all my ingredients. This is exactly 1 cup of flour or maida, half a cup of fine semolina or rava, half a cup of besan or chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder or cardamom powder, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of ghee or clarified butter, and a few cashew nuts just to decorate the nankhatais. Now in a bowl, I'm going to add the ghee as well as the sugar, and I'm going to mix everything really well till all of the sugar dissolves into the ghee. So take a whisk and mix it in really well. These nankhatais get ready really quickly. They have a long shelf life and they taste super delicious. So those are all the reasons that you should try your hand at it. And also it is 100% veg. Now I'm going to add the baking powder. Now this baking powder also, makes these nankhatais very light and really a very nice texture and consistency. Now I'm going to add the fine rava or semolina. Now if you have the medium rava or the thick rava, just run it through your mixer or blender till you get a very fine consistency. This adds some kind of body to the nankhatai and also a lovely flavor and texture. So now I'm going to add the besan or the chickpea flour, and I'm going to mix everything really well. And now we just have 2 more ingredients, that is the maida or the flour. So add half at a time and mix it in. And then of course we have the elaichi powder or the cardamom powder, which adds a beautiful flavor. Now I've made the cardamom powder at home. All I've done is just peeled the cardamom or the elaichis. I've taken about 5 elaichis, peeled them, and in my mortar and pestle just ground them to a fine powder. And now I'm going to add this fine cardamom powder. And then all we have to do is just mix everything well. And now the best thing is to use your hands and just knead this to a nice soft dough. Now at this time, I'm going to preheat my oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I've also lined my baking tray with some butter paper. And I'm just going to form small balls. Don't make your nankhatais very big. They should be nice and dainty. So make them nice and small like this and then flatten them out. And then just put half a cashew nut on top of it like this. Now you also have to place them a little, keep an inch of gap, keep an inch of distance between 2 nankhatais because they tend to fluff up a bit because of the baking powder. So don't put them too close together. Now I have 2 baking trays. So, I put all the nankhatais on both the trays, and together I got all together with the amount of ingredients I used, or the quantity rather. I got exactly 28 nankhatais. So these are all ready, and also don't forget to preheat your oven when you're making these nankhatais. So here I got 28. So if you're looking for more, then just double the quantity of all the ingredients. And now I'm just going to bake these for about 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. You can see that they've nicely puffed up. Now don't bake them, over bake them. Don't darken them. They shouldn't be dark brown on the top, but they should be this light brown, very light color. And you'll see when I overturn them, you can see that the base has to be like this, nice and golden brown in color. So the nankhatai is baked, it is not raw, but it has to be this light color. So don't over bake them. Keep an eye on them because every oven is different. And let them cool completely before you store them, and store them preferably in a glass container, airtight container, or a steel container. And these nankhatais, they can last for about 2 to 3 weeks in a proper airtight container, and they have a long shelf life. So I hope you like this recipe, and I hope you will give it a try. I'll catch you soon in my next recipe. Bye, take care. friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.